Well, they say only two things are certain: death and taxes. And right now, well, we're going to talk about the taxes. So how do you make sure you get every single penny you deserve? We're going to ask Canby Brown that this morning. She's live with a CPA to get some tax tips that'll make the government pay you. That's what we all want, right, Canby?
Yeah, exactly. But don't ask me, because I'm definitely not the professional. That's why I'm here with Rex. I'll ask Rex, and then he'll give us the answer. Because if I did, it would be all bad. You would not get every penny. So, Keone, I believe is how they pronounce this. Can I claim my mother-in-law?
Well, you know, a lot of times the mother-in-law can be a big expense and an additional burden on your life and sometimes your well-being. So sometimes we want to claim them on the income taxes, and the recommendation that I would give for this taxpayer is that they definitely want to seek out a professional in this instance, because when you're asking can you get some sort of tax benefit from mother-in-law, the answer is it depends. There's situations when you could get a deduction for that, and there's other situations where you couldn't. Okay. So definitely this is not the kind of thing that she wants to be going in alone on.
So it's a little bit more complicated. We're taking your questions online on our Facebook page, Eyewitness News Bakersfield Now. That's where we're getting these questions. So if you have a question, we are asking them for you, and Rex will, give you as straight of an answer as he possibly can. This one tends to be a little bit more complicated. Rex, what is the biggest tax return that you've ever seen, not return, someone have to pay?
A couple of years ago, during the housing boom, I actually watched a home builder, a guy here locally that was building houses and doing well. He had a good year, and he actually wrote a $1.3 million check to the IRS for a single year's worth of taxes. Oh my gosh,
so if you have to pay this year, don't be complaining. Coming up, we're going to talk about the income brackets, how that works, and also we're going to talk about how with your money, who's filing their taxes right now and who waits until the last minute. Rex is going to tell us what the trend is on that. But find us on Facebook, Eyewitness News Bakersfield Now, and ask us your tax questions, and Rex will answer them live, give you some free advice. Layla?
And I always